I will create a quickly and a fountain effects. And basically you have this fountain, and the very first option here is the local space in your emitter. How does it work? So if I drag this fountain here and I can just move it and it's creating that trail, right? But if I just click here on the local space, now this whole fountain will move same as it is with my mouse, no trail at all. So basically this fountain makes, the local space makes all your particle space at local. So they will follow the emitter source, and we are moving that emitter source. So all the particles will go there. So how can you use it? What is the use of this? So this is the basic use is if you are using any like source, you are want your particle to emit from a character and make a trail when the character moving, don't use it. And when your character will move, particle make trail. And if you want particle to stuck on the character, you can just use local space, not the character, any other props like gun or sword. For the character we have lots of other things like emit particle from the skeleton. There are lots of options. So for not local. mm, So I'll just right click and quickly make a fountain FX. Okay, so right click and this is my FX. So basically the very first option in the property is local space. Then we have determinism. I'll show you in another video. So the local space by default is off. And if you drag your effect in the viewport, you can just move it and it will make the trail. Even though if we don't have any velocity or gravity, particles spawning on a single point, but still if you move this, it will create a trail, right? Cool. So to make a trail kind of effect, you never use the local space. Okay. Now, if you have that velocity and the gravity back and you use the local space, what will happen? This whole effect will move with the source. Same. Cool. So if you are like making a fire, like a torch fire, and you want to link with the torch and you want this fire should not affect when you're moving a torch, you can make it local. Okay. Like if I just delete the gravity and we have this and make this little shorter, and let's make this like this is your fire. Cool. And you have a basic cylinder like torch. Let's take a new level actually. This with a lighting. And you have a torch here, a cylinder. And I'll just scale it like 0.2, 0.2. Okay. So you can drag your effects here. First thing, you can link it with the cylinder by dragging it here on the cylinder, making it 0. And then I'll move it here. So it is linked with the cylinder. Now this is your torch and you want to move it. So the FX is moving with this exact same. But if you don't use the local space, when I'll move my cylinder, see it's making like a trail kind of thing. So it depends how which type of effect you want. Then you can use this local space. But I hope you now understand how does it work. But this is also somewhere here in the modules, like the velocity. So velocity is on the local space, as you can see. Okay. So how we can use this and see if you have a gravity. Gravity is by default on the world space. So what is the difference in it? So let's say you have this gravity and I'll make the life again, uh, let's make it 2. So now particles is moving and particles is falling down because of gravity and I'm moving it. It's not local space. If I'm making this local space and moving it, still particles moving down and going up. If I rotate this, what is happening? The first velocity, the initial velocity rotated with the cylinder, but the gravity is still working the same. So gravity is still following them on the zero, on the like z axis. So that's the difference. Like if my in my velocity, my axis is z to move the particles up. Let me rotate it again to move the particle up. But when I'm rotating my emitter, particles direction is also changed. If I turn off the gravity for now, we will understand better. See, the particle velocity direction also changing. So if you want my particle will always go up, you can just go here and in the velocity, let's say you have the linear velocity and you have like 100 particle going up. You can just go from here and make it world. Now particle will go up whether you rotate it or not. It will always go up. You can just make it little higher. See, if I'm rotating, let's turn this off. If I'm rotating my emitter, still particle going up. So this is also very useful. A part of this local. You can also use this thing in the velocity. What is your mode, local or world space? So I hope you now cleared, and this is very useful thing. So thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye bye.